Hey there, here are your top news stories from eWEEK. Today's topics include IBM's effort to integrate the European Union's General Data Protection Regulations into its Resilient Incident Response platform, Microsoft's inclusion of GDPR compliance rules into an Azure cloud dashboard, how Google's Ads Data Hub gives marketers new ways to measure ad performance, and Rackspace's acquisition of Tricore Solutions to expand its managed services portfolio. In a little less than a year, the European Union's General Data Protection Regulation goes into effect, bringing with it many strict requirements to protect user data and privacy. GDPR also requires organizations to be forthright about breaches when they occur. IBM expects its Resilience Incident Response platform to play a key role in this area. Ted Julian, Vice President of Product Management and co-founder of IBM Resilient, told eWEEK that there are many different components to GDPR, including the right to be forgotten that requires organizations to delete all information on a given user, which is an item that is not part of what Resilient is doing. Instead, IBM Resilient is adding new capabilities to the Resilient Incident Response platform specifically for GDPR, including a preparatory guide, simulator, and privacy module. Microsoft is the latest global-scale cloud provider to recently tout the steps it is taking to comply with the European Union's General Data Protection Regulation when it goes into effect on May 25, 2018. In a blog post, Julia White, Corporate Vice President of Microsoft Azure and Security, detailed some of the ways her company is getting ready for the looming deadline and helping cloud customers do the same. To aid the company's cloud customers with their own compliance efforts, White announced a new dashboard that offers users an at-a-glance accounting of how their Azure and Office 365 environments stack up. She announced that later this year, the company plans to release a new dashboard that provides a quantitative assessment to help identify where customers are in their journey to GDPR compliance. As a company that derives almost all of its revenues and profits from internet advertising, Google has a lot to gain from helping businesses better understand how effectively their marketing campaigns are working across Google's online properties. Towards that end, Google last week introduced Ads Data Hub, a cloud-based measurement platform that, according to the company, gives advertisers detailed information on mobile user interaction with ad campaigns across YouTube, DoubleClick, the Google Display Network, and other ad platforms. Ads Data Hub is built on Google's cloud infrastructure and is integrated with the company's BigQuery big data analytics service. Cloud-based services provider Rackspace revealed May 25th that it is acquiring enterprise application management software maker Tricore Solutions, which has particular expertise in enterprise resource planning solutions from Oracle and SAP. Financial details were not disclosed, although San Antonio-based Rackspace said the transaction is the largest in its history. The deal comes less than a year after Rackspace itself was bought for $4.3 billion by Apollo Global Management, a New York-based private equity firm that took Rackspace private. Tricore Solutions fills a big need of Rackspace's transition from its original internet hosting business to managed cloud services. Thanks for watching. Follow the links on this page to learn more about the stories mentioned in this broadcast, and check back every weekday for another daily tech briefing from eWEEK.com.